Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of firing off my show. As you can see, it is getting ready for its second performance. But let me do a bit of magic here. Okay, we have now got everything up and running. I'm going to enable the sound so you can hear the whistling and crackling of the fireworks. If I can set this up right. Perfect. Now, 1 second guys, I'm just going to set this up. Just before we start, I need to tell you a couple announcements. Thank you guys so much for 25 subscribers, and I just really appreciate it. So yeah, without any further ado, are you ready guys? Yeah? 3, 2, 1. There will be sound in this, so you'll hear barking of my wolves. Here we go. This is my Saturn missile battery. Now there goes the fuse really quick. You just heard a meow from my audience over there. There goes the cake we built. Then the fuse travels to the shot tube. I have to stay back because this is going to be a large one. Oh, here it goes. Wow. Here's the next one. There goes the finale shots. Then there goes the large ones. Here goes the finale shots. Don't miss this one because this was a good one. The bridge. And the rainbow spots. And then here goes the orange and blue stars. You might not hear the whistling well, so I apologize for that. Over the bridge. Ticks. And there goes the fast runaway. Fire shooting. There goes the finale shots, guys. This is the spin around fast one. I missed part of the thing, doesn't matter. The final bit, guys. And that concludes our fireworks display for tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon with hopefully some deal or no deal content. Alright, for the ones, please make sure you like this video. This is a very special video. And keep it up with the subscribes. Come on guys, we need to hit more than 25. And to those who have subscribed already, it's goodbye from me. A great big thank you.